In this video, I want to talk about some option choices that you can make with various drop-down menus. You'll notice on this form I have two columns over here that have both been populated with drop-down menus. Okay, under item you can see that I have a series of drop-down menus in this column, and under type I have the same. So if I open up the first option here, the first drop-down menu, you can see that I have some products related to golf. Okay, so let's choose golf balls, and you'll notice under type, when I open this drop-down menu, I have various manufacturers of golf balls. So let's choose one here, and when I tab out of this field, watch price, it's automatically populating the price for these golf balls. Now, when I come to the next menu, let's say I want to choose something like shirts, you'll see that this second drop-down menu changes according to what's chosen over here in the first column. So if I open it up, you can see that shirts have different sizes, okay? So extra large. And you'll notice that before I begin on this form, when I cleared it out, there are no choices in the second column drop-down menus. This is blank. However, this is basically going to stay the same. If I reset my form now, since I've already created some choices here, this drop-down menu is going to retain the same options that I had when I first selected the first drop-down menu. However, if I choose a different option over here, you can see that, for example, hats, then it overrides my previous selection, and you can see that under hats I have a choice for colors. Okay, so let's see how we go about creating drop-down menus like this and how this form was set up. I'll go ahead and reset the form. Let's go to prepare form, and I'm going to open up the properties on this drop-down menu. So you see that the first drop-down menu has the options already selected here: golf balls, hats, shirts, shoes, and tees, like so. But what I do have is under the format menu, you can see that I have under custom keystroke script, click on edit here. This script basically populates the second column of drop-down menus. You can see that I have golf balls, golf hats, golf shirts, shoes, and then under each one of those items I have the various choices. And that's basically how we create the drop-down menu choices in this second column here. And if you want to duplicate a form similar to this, you can just copy this JavaScript or copy the field and paste it into your document, and the only thing you have to do is change the case items here and the set items to whatever it is that you're going to do on your form. Then if we take a look at price over here, I have another script under the calculate tab, and this is populating that field according to what choice I make for the first and second columns and the resulting price for that item. For example, the first one under golf balls with Titleist, and it's priced at $39.95. That value is placed in price if I choose golf balls and Titleist, and then so on and so forth all the way down. Once again, you can just easily copy and paste this field or this JavaScript into your form, and you're good to go. And then I have on the reset button is going to clear any present data. However, these fields will retain my last items that I chose, but you don't need to worry about that, because anytime I choose a new item, let's say shoes over here, you can see that this item changes according to whatever it is I select in the first column. So this is just an effective way of creating some multiple choices with drop-down menus that hopefully you might be able to apply the use of this drop-down menu scheme to one of your PDF forms. So once again, this is Ted Padova wishing you all the best in your PDF form creation.